Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांस दिवं आनी येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर रांदपाच्या चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव करता मेलगोर ही आमची तेंडली आनी चोणे घालून मेलगोर. हे आमचे कच्चे चोणे ते एक बोल आसा आनी ताका हांवें 6 वरां भिगोयली म्हणजे सकाळीं हांवें ताका भिजोत घातले आनी आतां सांज म्हटल्यार ते बरे फुगले आनी हांवें तांकां 5 विसील कुकराचेर घालून हांवें बॉयल करून आतां हे बरे बॉयल जाल्या पळय. ओके आनी तुमकां दाखयता पळय हें उदक हें बॉयल केलां. So these are black grams. Okay, so these are black grams and just soak this for 6 hours. Morning you can soak this, by evening you can pressure cook this for 5 whistle. Okay, in a water like if this is 1, so put around same size around 3 cups of water, salt to taste, and boil this for 5 whistles on high flame. Okay, so after boiling, here it is. Then what we need, so these are called ivy gourd. So it looks like this. I've kept to so it looks like this. In Goan language we called it Tendli. In English it is ivy gourd. So you have to cut this way, and this is 250 grams. Okay, so very easy to cut like this, and then cut in this way. So this is in total 250 gram. I brought it from supermarket Delfino. Okay, so the next ingredients, so these are the main for this Goan Melgor. We call it Melgor because it is together, and we are going to use the homemade Sambar masala for this. 3 tablespoons of Sambar masala will go in this. These are 2 small onions finely chopped. These are 2 tablespoons of coconut. You can add more coconut. Okay, and 2 green chilies, 1 this chilies, and these are like 7 flakes of garlics which I have chopped this way. Those who don't like garlic, it is optional. So these are all washed nicely, and now I will drain the water. Okay, so कोंकणीनी मातशें सांगता की हांव एका आमचो गोंयचो हांवें घरचो ह्यो सांबार मसाला पावडर हेजीन 3 कुलेरां घालतली. ओके, हांव हे रेसिपी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतली सांबार मसालाचो. ओके, आनी हितून हांवें 2 प्याव घेतल्या हे कातरून 2 कुलेरां व्हडली नाल्ल घेतला. सुबे जाय जाल्यार घेवं येता. मागीर ह्यो 2 मिरसांग्यो ह्यो 7 बोई धाकटुश्यो बोई लसणाचे, आनी एक ही मिरसांग. आनीक दुसरो मसालो पूण येतलो, हल्दी, मिरसांगेचो पावडर, धनिया पावडर ह्या मसाल्या बरोबर येतलो. आनी आमची राय आनी आमची ती सासवां आनी आमचे जिरे पूण येतले. ओके, सो प्लीज वॉच ना. Let's take some oil. So I've taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Jeera आणि सासवा घेतला. Now we'll add our garlic, chilli आणि कांदा. आणि ही कश्मीरी चिली का मोडून घालूया. Now we'll add turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we'll add our ivy gourd. They are gourd family actually. आमची टेंडली. आता टेंडली घालूया. Salt to taste. Low flame. So now we'll cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. If you want, you can add little water. So what I will do, I'll use that chana water only. So I'm taking this very little chana water. Let it get cooked. So now we'll add our homemade sambar masala. So we have to add. So this is my size of tablespoon. So you see what you are having at home. So 1, 2 and 3. So now if you don't have sambar masala, then you can use Goan Xacuti masala, or you can also use Everest Kitchen King masala, or any masala powder you are having, what you use to make chicken, that can be substitute if you don't want to make this sambar masala powder at home. But I will share it in my description box, and you all can make that sambar masala, okay, with very few, not lots of ingredients, but very few. So jenka poi sambar masalo ना घारान तेंच्यांनी गोवन शाकुती मसाला पावडर पण घालूं येता सेम तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम हियर एंड देर इट इज दिस आनी जेंकां पळय शाकुती मसालो ना गोंयचो शाकुती मसालो ना तेंच्यांनी किचन किंग एव्हरेस्ट मसाला पावडर घालूं येता जो मेवता सुपर मार्केटान शॉपांचेर तो पूण ना जाल्यार कसलो पूण तुमचे कडेन चिकन मसाला आसतलो ओ तुमचे कडेन कितें मीट मसाला आसतलो ओ गरम मसाला आसतलो ते मातशे पूण पळोवन घालात ओके नाव वी वील एड आर बॉइल्ड चनास So this recipe somebody told me to make and on the YouTube only they had commented. So I'm making for that person actually. I hope she will make it and she will enjoy this Melgor. And now we will add our coconut to this and one little bit we will keep coconut to garnish it. Let's mix this. जेंकां पळय कोकोनट आवडटा तेंच्यांनी सुबेस पासून घालूं येता हांवें आतां ही 2 कुलेरां घातल्या तुमच्यान 4 कुलेरां घालूं येता तो तुमकां कितली आवडटा म्हाका मातशें कोकोनटाचें मातशें हें आहा मातसो हें आहा म्हाका अग्री जायना सुबेस कोकोनट ताका लागून हांवें न्ही 2 कुलेरां घातल्या आतां आमी हेका धांपूया आनी 10 मिनटां हेका आतां बरें शिजोवया उदक घालपाची गरज ना वाव टेस्टी so now this is after 10 minutes and it's done because those Tendlis that is ivy gourd was tender so it got cooked nicely grams are already cooked so it's nicely cooked you can see the color also is changed of this so I'll put on the gas now and have it you can have it with rice bread chapati and enjoy. Goan Melgor is ready to serve. Okay. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं. Thank you so much for your full support on the cooking channel. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक काळजान थावन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी असोच आमकां सपोर्ट करात आनी जरी तर तुमकां म्हाजें तोंड पळोवंक जाय हांव कोण पळय तें जाल्यार म्हाका फेसबुकाचेर फॉलो करात वॅलरी नांव घालात फेसबुकाचेर जाल्यार तुमकां म्हाजें लिंक मेवतलें ओके जेंकां म्हाजें तोंड पळोवंक जाय पळय तांकां Thank you so much.